welcome back to Kenzie. I'm a school YouTuber, and today I am going to be showing you my fidget collection and my slime collection. So, before we get started with this video, big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guys thank you so much and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post another video. So let's get started. And in my next, and probably I'm going to do mini band fidget. I'm gonna do a mini brand collection because I have a lot of mini brands. So yeah, let's get started on. So we're gonna start with. Actually, hold on. I don't want to get them all. I have to get I have to get all my slime situated and stuff so I can put them on the table. Yeah, so I'll be right with you guys. 1 second. Alright, y'all. I'm back and I got my fidgets. So yeah. I got all my fidgets over here. Oh my god. That's my slime. That's my Jiggly slime. And I just want to tell you that I have a lot of fidgets. So I'm just gonna show you some. So I might, and after my mini brand collection, I might do all my fidget collection. So yeah, I didn't bring that much fidgets to show you guys, so that's why I went pause for a second because I just gotta make sure I got all my fidgets. I mean, I got all of them, but I got all of them I want to show you right now. So yeah, that's why. So yeah, what I was saying, the first one is my Jiggly slime. I got it yesterday for my birthday party. So yeah. I got it yesterday for my birthday party from my best friend. You know what was weird? It was only me and my sister there. And yeah, I would be at school right now. But yeah, last night I was throwing up a lot and I had to stay home. But today I feel much better, so yeah. Look at my grandma and Jerry. I'm just obsessed. Like I've been pushing my family here, but we'll see. I had to stay home. But anyways, yeah. That's my Jiggly slime. If you wanna get it, I think she's got it from Target because she almost gets everything from Target. So yeah. This is it. The container is in. It's so hard to get out. Ooh, sorry. It's super hard to get out. Hold on, I have to check something. Alright. Sorry, checking something. Alright, so that's my slime. It's a Jiggly slime. Next slime. Let's go with this one. So this one I actually got from Claire's, and the reason I didn't take it out yet is because it's super sticky. So yeah, I'm not gonna go with that. Alright, so yeah, I got it from Claire's for like $4. It's a pretty good deal. I had to mix it with this white stuff. It's like coffee. It smells like coffee. Yeah, it's super sticky. I take a little bit. Yeah, that's all. Put this back because I don't want it to get ruined. Put over there. Super sticky slime. It smells like coffee. I'm pretty sure it's my favorite slime. Yeah. I just like it because it stretches and it won't break. Because watch. It won't break. And it looks like poop. So yeah. And I made a new game. I'm gonna post on Monday. I'm gonna post Monday and Saturdays. So my next video is gonna be on Saturday. I'm so sorry guys, I haven't posted in so long. Super busy because school. Yeah, that's fun. Oh, that's gonna be so hard to put back in. No. You're gonna watch me step if I miss back in. Look. Alright. I should have done like a little bit, like that much, because I'm super sleepy. Let's just put this back on. Yeah, that's just pretty good. Next one, but let me take this one. Alright, sorry. I just have to get ready. So the next one is this one. I'm not gonna get it out because this is so hard to put back on. So yeah, it's putty. It's not slime, it's putty. I don't get it. My friends at school say putty is slime. Well, my putty is no. They say like putty is. They don't call it putty. I think it's just slime, but it's putty. Like putty and slime are completely different things. Putty is hard, and slime is not hard. If you have slime that is hard, check and make sure if it's putty and you got it like that, got it like this, and you got that was slime. Check and see. But if you made a slime and it's hard, girl, that's just on you, or boy, that's just on you. So yeah, that's that. It has like smiles on it, and these are the ones you have to find. I found I have to show you. Let me see. I still have it. I put it on this cup, and I didn't think it would stick on, but it actually stuck on. So yeah, that's what I found. And my cousin helped me find it too. So you gotta hurry up with this video because sometimes it doesn't let me post long videos. So yeah, these are the videos I'm gonna show you today. Yeah, the slimes are done. Yeah, the veggies I'm gonna show you today. I got two. Got from Target for like $8. Not bad. I wish you got it for much cheaper. But yeah, pet food. Next we got this little Skittle Poppets. I love Skittle Poppets. I hate Circle Poppets. Like here, actually, the Circle Poppet. I can find it. Like this one. I hate Circle Poppets like that. And my school has a school store, so like sometimes I get Skittle Poppets in there. So yeah. I haven't been to the school store in so long. So I don't know if it's so still, but I might go this week. So yeah, that's that one. And this one is a mouse poppet. It's this time it's not blue and white, it's red and white. So yeah, this is my favorite one because it pops good on both sides. Usually poppets don't pop good on both sides. It usually pops good on one side. So yeah, that one pops good on both sides. And then we got this. I got from my friend from the trade. I might do ASMR one day for a video with my favorites, and then I got a simple purple and blue simple dimple. slime collection. I know, I thought I had more slime, that's why I did it. But that's why I added some of my fidgets too with it, because I didn't have that much slime. So yeah, I'm gonna start putting my slimes away in my fidgets. So I'm gonna end this video right here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please hit that subscribe button. I really, my big subscribe when I really want to get to is probably 100, because I'm at 27 or 28, I don't remember, or 26, but please get me to 100. That's all I'm asking. And hopefully the next video I'm gonna do a Q&A, and then I'm gonna do my other Mary Brienne collection. So yeah, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe to get me to 100. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.